I'm going to get the green present. Bro, why? I didn't know that bananas could go to space. Best game ever. Hey guys, PG here, and today I'm playing Don't Press the Button. What is that? We have to catch someone? Someone has a sword? Who? I can't go up there. Let's go back down. A new round. Bro, why? Come on. She's so irritating. See what I mean? So I joined a new server, and now I have to dodge the lasers. I'm a big head. I'm a banana. Oops. Really? This time I'll make it. Almost there. I did it. I'm in space. Wait. I didn't know that bananas could go to space. Best game ever. No gravity. What's the next one going to be? OMG, Christmas is my favorite season. My present. I'm going to get the green present. Mine. Another green one. I'll get the yellow one, it's my color. Or is that orange? I'll get the white one. I won. Bye everyone. Welcome to the Chit Chat. I'm almost at 10 subscribers, so will you support by subscribing? I'm not popular yet, but if you sub, thanks. Also, yesterday was Pure Diamond's birthday. This video took a while to upload, but here it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy birthday, PD.
Thanks. Bye,
Bye everyone.